What if I told you this entire marketing video took me less than 5 minutes to make and I didn't touch a single editing tool? Let me show you how I use TopView AI to turn this idea into this ready-to-post ad. First, head to TopView AI and create your free account. Once you're in, just upload the product picture you want to edit. Use good quality picture for better result. Now here's the fun part: you can describe your product or campaign. Next, click Generate and watch as TopView AI creates the whole video for you: scenes, text, animations, background clips, and even a voiceover that sounds surprisingly human. Be patient, it's gonna take a few minutes. And that's it, a full marketing video in under 5 minutes using TopView AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AI tools that make your content creation easier and faster.